Live stream in progress. Stream in progress. Live stream have Hi everyone, test live stream today from Clark CDC Park. Now we with Georgi. We will show to you CDC Park now. Time now 9:20 in the Philippines. This is live stream. I use DJI Pocket camera. First time because night time is good quality video. Traffic little bit because people already going home before 10. Take a look, so many people. Crabs and crab. I already filming in the Fields Avenue today. Not many people, but I want to say news. Tiger Hotel is closed. Usually Tiger Hotel not closed. Always have customers, but now closed. Sorry, I cannot reply now comments if have comments because my phone now inside the bag. That's why I cannot. They hold camera now. Traffic. Thank you. Don't have event in the park. But usually 10 p.m. we close. We're not allowed go inside after 10 p.m. And we switch off lights. Georgi, some of subscribers asking you about apartments. Do you know have maybe cheapest apartment or not? Yeah.
6,000 unfurnished.
Unfurnished?
Yes, many. 6,000 unfurnished.
Without aircon?
Yes.
So $100 unfurnished?
Yes.
Near Walking Street, Red Street or far?
I think yes, near. What do you mean near Walking Street?
No, I mean in
How
Balibago.
many meters? How many kilometers?
Okay. Because before, first time I rent for $100 in yes. What name of Mountain View, Pampanga Street. $100 cheap. Also now in Pampanga Street, same apartment, already fully furnished for 8,000 peso with aircon, with bed, but I bought before everything. I bought aircon, I bought heater. I see many people in Clark. Saturday, many people. And Sunday, same. Sunday in the Philippines, family day. But I'm not planning to do live streaming with this channel. I try to streaming to new channel, but I cannot. I don't know why. And if I'm already here and I prepare already equipment, that's why I already live stream with It's My Life Philippines. I know most of subscribers not interesting. Clark, you need only Balibago, Fields Avenue, but we now in the park. Little bit I will show to you park. Interesting about quality of the video. Art market. Because I use 5G only. Georgi, but you want to stay in this apartment or you want change? You say it's again smell not good?
I want change, but not enough money for now. Wait.
But what happened? Again you smell something or not?
Many problems.
So in this apartment many problems.
Yes, in this building.
Building. No, building is old.
It doesn't matter old or not, because they built it correctly. So I explained already about water, but water not only the problem. It's another problem. The exhaust fans in the bathroom of each room not connected to aluminium hose, and air not go outside of the building, but go only over the ceiling, and this all smells stay in the building, and because they do incorrect sewage system, smells from the sewage system go to exhaust fan, and this smells over the ceiling. So, and because rooms are not divided, not separated, these smells come from the other rooms to my room also. In my room I put sealant for my door, for my windows, for everything. But smells come from the ceiling, from the roof. And this building, the roof is like a house, like this. And all these smells stay there, not go outside.
So problem smell in this place, in your room?
Yes. Sometimes this sewage smells come in my room from the ceiling, because exhaust fan is not working properly.
Because the installation not correctly.
Yeah, they not connect to somewhere.
Okay.
It's the main problem.
But take a look. This is, I think, it's many people from the jogging. Yes, from the jogging. Maybe marathon today. Okay, so you need to find. First, we need to find money for new apartment.
Yes.
But what you prefer? Unfurnished or furnished? Because unfurnished is cheaper, and you can buy new and good furnished.
Better furnished.
Better furnished.
I have already unfurnished.
Mhm.
So
Move many times.
moved many times, yes. So now, because I sold out everything, so I don't want to buy again. And if something go wrong, I can stuck with this stuff, and I need to sold again and lose money, because even if I buy new aircon, new bed, new mattress, I can sold only 50% of the new price.
Yes, yes.
Even
I know.
because I am a foreigner, I keep it in good condition. But unless I decrease the price to 50% of the new item, nobody want to buy. But my items and Filipino items are-
Different, yes.
Yes. Uncomparable.
Different quality.
Yes. Because I have everything. I have box, I have package.
Ага.
So when I sell aircon, I have box, and when
For good for resale again. What's why?
Yes, and
Yeah.
new refrigerator also in the box, everything like new.
No, I remember you bought for 12,000 and sold for 7 or 8.
Yes, yes.
Very cheap. Yeah, it's from Marathon. Clark. Вот Clark. Clark City. Или Clark City Marathon. I don't know. And road close.
Tapos, itatapa ko yung kabila. Sumama siya.
Clark City. 10 kilometers. Marathon 10 kilometers. Walk 10 kilometers for me, it's okay. But not run. Run I don't want.
Basta meron naka-jersey dun. May naka-jersey dun.
Oh, it's good with live stream is HD quality and zoom 4x. Usually 2x zoom.
Jay, wala kang nakalimutan, no?
Guys, I don't know about quality of the video because I cannot check. Maybe someday I will try to do live stream in Fields Avenue. Maybe. But usually if I go to Fields Avenue, I don't want to stay long time. I want only limited time. Just only filming and come back to home or come back somewhere. I don't want to stay a long time in the Fields Avenue. Just walk only, filming. It's maximum 20 minutes. But live stream need another, it's more time need. But I don't like because so many haters. You know, so many haters. They don't like camera with camera. They think it's all YouTube channel it's my maybe because I'm not hiding camera. That's why they think it's my video. But I have only our channel, it's Malay Philippines, this channel, and the new channel Philippine Unfiltered only. Philippine Unfiltered is a video about our life. Also I will travel to China, to Hong Kong. I will show, also live stream I will do. Take a look. Running. After 10 kilometers I think we very tired. Time now 9:40. Ой, да, 9:40. Record outdoor walk. Yes, record. Yeah, it's record. Because I not use ultra. Interesting about quality of video. If good quality, I will try to do live stream every week maybe, but not in this channel because many haters. Only Philippine Unfiltered. I will do live stream in Philippine Unfiltered. It's better.
Guys, I'm okay.
Okay, we will talk with Georgi in Russian language. Stop live stream. Thank you for watching. See you in the video. Oh, I cannot stop. Wait, I start video filming. Need to stop in the phone. My phone. Not easy. It's first time, guys. It's first time.